Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another Crafty Dare. Yay! I didn't think I was gonna get this one done in time, but I did, and I'm so glad. It's not that hard. It wasn't that hard. So this week's Crafty Dare was to use black and white colors, a wood piece, and a flower. Um, and you can interpret that any way you want to. So let me share what I used. I used this paper, and I think I got this paper from Target in one of their packs. Um, so I used that. I used this snowflake from the Dollar Tree. I used one of these wooden ornaments. They're mini ornaments. This is an ornament too. Um, from Walmart. I used this punch from Martha Stewart. I used this snowflake. This is a tonic, and I was selling these, I don't know, a couple months back on my channel, but nobody wanted them, so I am keeping them. So I used a old Stampin' Up flower punch. I used this paint from for the snowflake. God, I gotta think. I also used some glitter, extreme glitter. I used some snow tex, and I think that's it. Let me turn off the autofocus. Okay, so let me push everything aside so I can show you what I created. I created this card. So what I did was I just laid down the paper. I kind of did some paint splatter on top. If you can see, there's a little from this paper. You can see some of the paint splatter. I painted the snowflake with the white paint and the glitter paint as well. And I don't think, unless, let me see here. Let me see if you can, I don't, oh, there's a little bit, you can see a little bit. Okay, and then on the sign from Walmart, I added some of that snow tex and my fingers, excuse my dirty fingers. I added some ribbon from my stash. I added the twine to that. Here's my flowers with the pine cone leaves I put on the side, and I added a pearl to the center of each flower. So I really love how this card turned out. Go and check out everybody's projects over at Crafty Dares on Instagram. You will see their unbelievable projects. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.